Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to compare between Zorin OS versus Elementary OS. Let's get started. First, Zorin OS is designed to be user-friendly, especially for people switching from Windows or macOS. It has a clean, modern interface that looks similar to Windows, making it easy for beginners to use. It supports a wide range of applications and works well with different types of hardware. There's also a lightweight version available for older computers. On the downside, some features are only available in the paid version, and it doesn't offer as much customization as some other Linux distributions. Next, Elementary OS focuses on providing a minimal and elegant user experience. Its design is heavily inspired by macOS, which makes it visually appealing. It's lightweight and fast, so it's a good option for low-end machines. Elementary OS also comes with its own set of apps, designed to look and work consistently. However, it can be restrictive when it comes to customization, and the available software is a bit more limited compared to other Linux distros. So, those are the main differences between Zorin OS and Elementary OS. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.